Welcome to 1309 Stonemill Falls, Wake Forest. We're in the Stonemill Falls subdivision, just north of Rogers Road in Wake Forest. We're in the greater heritage area of Wake Forest. This is probably the most versatile home that I've sold this year. It's got over 3,400 square feet. It's got 6 bedrooms, lots of different ways to set this home up. So come on in, let me show you around. One of the first things that you notice when you walk inside is the kitchen. It's got these two-tone cabinets. You kind of have to look closely to see that it's two-tone, but the top is off-white and the bottom is gray, and then this beadboard wrap around the island really just makes it a focal point of this space. Lots of natural light. The floors in here are walnut-colored engineered hardwoods with that hand-scraped look. Really is a nice contrast against the white kitchen. So I mentioned versatility. This house has 6 bedrooms technically. Down here on the first floor, you've got a guest suite. Upstairs on the second floor, you've got 4 bedrooms and a loft. And then on the third floor, you've got an additional bedroom. So you got lots of options. As you enter upstairs, you walk into this loft area. You could set this up like they have it, which is kind of a media room. Could be a playroom, exercise room if you want to. And then the master suite, this master bedroom is huge. In the bathroom, you've got this really nice frameless glass shower, the garden tub, and these very wide tiles. When you have a lot of little tiles in a shower, that's a lot of grout, and grout is typically what discolors first in a shower. So having these big tiles is actually going to help you keep it cleaner. And the master closet is huge. So, I mean, you can tell because they're not even filling it all up, but there's plenty of space in here. So the third floor is what really makes this house so versatile, because as you come up the stairs to the left, you walk into this area over here, which is currently being used as an office. Makes a great office space because it's kind of away from the rest of the house. It's quiet, it's private. Could also be a toy room or another bonus room or another exercise room if you need that space. So lots of options, like I said. And there's a full bath up here and another bedroom. So like I said, depending on what your needs are, there's 1,000 different ways to set this home up. Go take a peek at the backyard. Screen porch is an absolute must in North Carolina. And they've got this paver stone patio right off the porch, overlooking a flat backyard that's pretty deep actually. This fence line goes clear back into that corner behind the trampoline. So there's lots of room back here. So this bad boy is going live this weekend on Friday. We've got 2 open houses, one on Saturday from 1 to 3, one on Sunday from 2 to 4. List price is $750,000. Come on out. We'd love to see you there.